sini. Misti. Misti. Dia buat tak tahu tu. Misti. Come. Misti. Meh. Come. Sini. Sini. Sini.
Tak senang untuk tangkap 2 ekor ni masuk dalam box. Kita tengok tu dia duduk dalam tu. Sebenarnya tak sangka aku akan jadi cat parent semula. After 10 years, the last my pets went away. Memang lepas tu aku macam emotionally aku tak mau have another pets. But this cat are given by my cousin to my kids, my daughter. Okay, are you ready to meet the cat? Okay, nanti jangan lupa say thank you tau dekat Aunty Ju dengan Aunty G. Dengar tak? Alright, good. Sekarang ni kita nak menyusun balik barang-barang supaya kita boleh fit in the cat.
Itu saya. Dah sabar, masuk.
Tu dia.
Thank you, Aunty G.
Boleh sikit. Nah.
Boleh dalam.
So, okey duk mengadu yang kucing tu lapar. Nak bagi dia orang rehat kejap. Lagipun dia orang maybe tak biasa dengan long distance punya driving kan. So, we want to make sure they are comfortable. Hai. Hai. Tu dia. Boleh? Boleh? Dah jilat dah. Aku rasa it's a good time for her to learn to be a responsible kid. So aku rasa okey lah, belalah kucing. And now, itulah. We have 2 cats kat dalam tu. Plan hari ni kita orang nak pergi makan dulu. But after that, kita nak pergi ke Pet Expo. That's why kita orang decide, why not we bring together the cat. Sajalah bawa kucing tu jalan-jalan. And tonight, we also have one program which is also happening dekat dalam island ni. Okey, kita baru je habis. Okey beli apa? Rumah kucing besar gila ni. Nak beli apa tu?
Pasir.
Pasiang. Okey.
Pasir kucing.
Pasiang. We are done with our Pet Expo visit. Sekarang ni kita nak ke Padang Kota pula. Because tonight there's a Georgetown Festival punya event. As usual lah, last year pun kita orang pergi. This year pun kita orang nak pergi lagi sekali. But this time we are bringing the pets with us. Tak tahulah macam mana situation dia. So we'll be hanging out there. And the thing is, hari ni kawan aku pun ada buka booth. Kita akan melawat dia orang sekali. Kita dah sampai ke nearby Padang Kota, which is dalam 500 meter je lah jalan. So right now wife aku nak pasang harness ni. Pasang kat the kucing. Tepi makcik.
Right? You are my sunshine.
Sebenarnya aku tak perasan langsung mic aku ni tak connected to the camera. So itulah tak ada audio. And this is the time that I met with my friend. Yang ni lah, yang dia booth yang dia buka, a bond letter booth. Dan selain itu, kita orang dapatlah ronda-ronda pergi beli makan. And then we end up hanging around dekat situ, picnic with the cat. Ya, nampak je dia orang ni behaving, tapi itulah malu-malu. Yang okey tu dia dapat beli notebook. Kerja dia lukis kucing lah, nampak tu. Tak adalah penat sangat sebenarnya nak handling kucing tu, sebab kucing tu actually sit in the case, so tak jadi masalah sebenarnya. This Georgetown Festival have been our annual lepak lah dekat Padang Kota ni. Kita orang tak adalah saja nak datang melepak kat sini, tapi for this particular event saja kita orang datang. Sekarang ni kita gerak dulu. Maybe I will conclude this vlog selepas ni, sebab ada orang tengah tunggu parking. Okay, jom. Oh, aku pun dah keluarkan kucing dah. So, that's it. That was the adventures for today. Glad that we get to brought the cats keluar sekejap malam ni, siang seharian ni. Not sure if the cats are enjoying it or not, tapi most of the time they are hiding in the box. Maybe sebab dia orang ni tak familiar, tak pernah dibawa keluar macam ni. So, aku rasa it is something new to them. Especially the vibe of Pulau Pinang kan, Georgetown. And Georgetown as usual, it is being Georgetown itself. Vibe dia still the same each time Georgetown Festival. Macam tu lah dia punya vibes. Cuma the arrangement are quite different than last year. The projection mapping semua remain the same, but the vibe macam aku cakap tadi, it's remain colourful. As usual. I must say hari ni memang it's quite a long day for us, especially bila kita orang attempt to bring the cat outside for the first time in a public space. And I was looking at how stressed is the cat become lah. Nampak lah dia orang ni nampak stress sikit, but I think it is good for us to introduce the environment lah kan, sebab they need to be exposed dengan benda-benda macam ni. Kalau tak kan, dia sepanjang beberapa hari bersama kami dia asyik menyorok, dan aku rasa I need to introduce some environment to them so that they get used to it. And the good thing is, Orchid pun I see her being responsible untuk tolak kucing, look for a proper toys for the cat kan. Aku rasa it's a good step for my daughter lah, untuk dia become a responsible kids. Lepas tu anak aku pula dapat jumpa my friend yang buka booth kucing tu. She's from the Bond Letter. Sebelum ni aku pernah review, dia pernah jual Sampuraya. Glad to meet them. Anak aku bila dia tengok design caricatures of the cat yang kawan aku design tu, she was like so amazed. Dan itulah, maybe sometime aku boleh hantar dia lepak dengan kawan aku tu, so that they can draw together. I think they have an aligned passion. Look at how she handle the cat in her own way. So I think it's not about me being ready or not, tapi aku rasa it's about time to give my daughter the chance that I used to have once upon a time. To have love, not just to herself, tapi untuk menyayangi benda-benda yang lain. At the same time, aku jadi cat parent semula. Okay, I think that's it for today. It's quite tiring. Aku pun dah sampai. I'm going to end this vlog sekarang. And thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in upcoming vlogs. Bye.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi.